Hey, Steph Beckett here for rAVe Pubs. I'm here on the last day of ISE 2020 in Samsung's hall. We are showing the QLED 8K over to my side. Samsung is showcasing their QLED 8K signage this year at ISE, highlighting the display's true 8K resolution. The display's 8K AI upscaling technology compares data from millions of images and transforms lower quality image content into 8K resolution. With more than 33 million pixels, the QLED 8K signage offers exceptional depth and detail, resulting in immersive viewing experiences in any business environment. Its QLED technology presents 100% color volume, providing 1 billion colors, and it features a peak brightness of 4,000 nits. With a slim, minimal design, QLED 8K signage aesthetically enhances any customer environment. For more information on the QLED 8K or for more of our coverage, visit ravepubs.com/ISE 2020.